In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print on both sides in Word. This is a fantastic way to save paper and create professional looking documents. Let's go ahead and break it down step by step so you can understand the process clearly. First, you'll want to open your Microsoft Word application. If you already have it open, you're one step ahead. Now, with Word open, you'll start by clicking on New Blank Document. This lets you work from scratch, but of course, if you're already working on a document, you can just open that file instead. After you have your document open, you'll need to fill it with the content you want to print, whether it's text, images, or a combination of both. Make sure everything is ready and formatted the way you'd like it to appear in the final printout. Once all your content is in place, your next stop is the File tab located at the top left corner of the screen. Click on File and there you will see a blue menu with several options like Home, New, Open, Info, Save, and Save As. Below these you'll notice a Print option accompanied by a printer icon. This is where you'll go next. Click on Print, which will open up the print setup details. It's worth mentioning that this is assuming you're already connected to a printer. If not, make sure you set that up prior to continuing. Now let's focus on the settings area in the print menu panel. Under Pages, you have options about how to print your document. By default, it might say print one-sided. You'll want to click the drop-down arrow next to that. Here comes the important part. From the drop-down menu, select Print on Both Sides. This option enables double-sided printing, which is what allows you to have content printed on both the front and back of each paper sheet. After picking Print on Both Sides, you have another choice to make, whether to print on the long edge or the short edge. Selecting the long edge will flip pages like a book, while choosing the short edge will flip pages like a notepad. Once you've made the selection, you're practically done. The last thing to ensure is that your printer is indeed connected and ready to go. Double check everything and then hit the print button. And there you have it. You've just printed your document on both sides using Microsoft Word. This simple process not only helps save paper, but adds a professional touch to your printed documents. Thanks for watching, and I hope this has been helpful. Happy printing!